Well, Bank of America hitting its highest level in more than a decade today, and bullish options traders see more upside ahead. Pete Najarian joins us from Minneapolis with that. Hey, Pete.
Hey, how are you doing, Scott? I'll tell you what, you talked about that. Yeah, decade highs for Bank of America. Nice move to the upside that we're seeing here. And disclosure, I own the stock. I plan on holding this stock. And by the way, the options that we're seeing today got me into the calls as well, so I'm double dipping, so to speak. But it's really a 2-week option. December 13th is when these expire. And what we're looking at right now is the 34 strike, the 34.5 strike, and the 35 strike, all very active in December 13th expiring options. Now, the 34.5s, that's the biggest that we're seeing. That's about 17,000 last I looked. It might be bigger now, but that has been something that started off the day at about 5,000. It's been just picking up, and the momentum moving to the upside there has been extraordinary. Those options are very inexpensive, by the way. They're 15, 18 cents, somewhere in that range. So risk reward, you've kind of got to like what you see there. And if this stock does continue this breakout, those options ought to move very rapidly. I got a second one for you too as well, Scott. Macy's. Now, this is a trade. I bring this up every time. This is a trade. This is not a company that I love. I don't think that they're really in a great position right now, but somebody is buying this week's calls, the 15.5 strike calls in Macy's, as the stock's trading right near that 15.5. It's actually pulled back below there, so the stock was a little bit higher when they were buying these calls. They're buying these. They expire Friday, so December 6th. These are the 15.5 calls that they're buying in nice size. About 7,000 of those originally hit, and that was trading around 30 cents. So again, risk reward. Now, what I always look at when I see something like this is, are they saying to me that Macy's is going to move to the upside on news? I don't think so. I think what they're going to move to the upside, if they do, is a short squeeze, about 30+% short interest right now in Macy's. So I'm going to play that short squeeze as well. I'm long these calls, expecting to see them maybe potentially. Stock gets up through 16, 17. These calls are going to absolutely quadruple. It's going to be a great hit.
Yeah, if the thing moves up, of course. That's the bet.
That's the big if. Yeah.
All right, Pete. Thank you for that. Appreciate it.
Great to see you, man. Yep.
Nice vest.
It's cold here, man. It's like 15 degrees here today.
Okay.